Victory Assembly presents Walking in Victory Conference. Walking in Victory Conference 2015 is taking place from November 18th to the 22nd. Theme, Supernatural Touch, Greater Exploits. Venue, Wednesday 18th to Saturday 21st at the Montgomery on Surrey Street, Sherfield, S1 2LG, adjacent to the Town Hall. Sunday celebration service starts at 10 a.m. and Victory and Deliverance Night at 6:30 p.m. at Mercure St. Paul's Hotel, 119 Norfolk Street, Sherfield, S1 2JE. Speakers are Bishop Richard Hahiabede, Adonai International Ministries, Tema, Ghana. Reverend Barnabas Erastus, Church on the Rock, Kaduna, Nigeria. Pastor John Watts, The Rock Christian Center, Sherfield. And hosts, Pastors Eunice and Mosa Barco. Ministering and worship will be High Call. Walking in Victory Conference 2015. Get ready for exploits. It's time for the supernatural.